The ceil function in C rounds up to the next largest integer. Ceil is in the math.h header file, so we will hash include math.h. We will also want to print our answer, so let's hash include stdio.h. Ceil returns an integer, so for our answer we will start with int ants equals ceil of 3.14. Let's print that answer out. Printf double quotes %d for ints, and then we'll printf ants. If we run this code, we get 4 as it is the next largest integer. If we change ants to be negative 3.14, then run that code, we get negative 3 as it is the next largest integer. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.